Huh? Lal. Is it lal?
Red.
Lal red.
Neela blue.
Hmm. Hmm.
Peela yellow.
Hmm.
Safed white.
Safed. Hmm.
Safed white.
Hmm. Hmm. That's it, huh? 5 colors over. Kala, black. Okay,
Kala
okay. Next is Shravan.
green.
Okay, ma. Shravan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Namaste,
Yes,
Lakshman.
Guruji, ma'am.
Okay.
Red.
Shravan.
Red.
Hmm.
Neela blue.
Huh? Neela blue. Ah. Hmm. Peela yellow.
Neela yellow.
Peela yellow. Hmm. What is that color?
Green.
Next one.
Black.
Yeah, good. Okay, Shravan. Okay, next is. Whom should I ask? Lakshraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Kala black.
Hmm.
Neela blue.
Hmm.
Peela yellow.
Hmm.
Narangi
Hmm.
blue.
Hmm.
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste, my son.
Peela yellow. Fla green. Safed white.
Yeah, good. Good, Lakshmi. Yeah, namaste, Ida. Namaste, Niven. Next
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
Dayanand. So, sir, join now. Bring your color pencils or crayons and you have to say any 5 colors.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Safed
Hmm.
white.
Hmm.
Lal red. Gara green.
Hmm.
Neela blue.
Hmm.
Kala black.
Very good. Okay, well
Beela
done.
yellow.
Okay, ma. Well done. Next is Sai Charan.
Yeah.
Sai Charan.
Peela yellow.
Hmm.
Hara green.
Hmm.
Kala black.
Hmm. Black. It's not balak. Black.
Safed white.
Hmm. That's it.
Neela blue.
Okay, good. Niven. Niven. Where is Niven? Okay. Over. Colors are over. And then I want you to take your textbook. Last class we learned per letters, right? Per pictures and all. Per se patang, per se patta. Come on, Shravan. Read all these per related pictures. Hmm.
Palang.
Which is palang?
Bed.
Bed. English also you have to say. Per se.
Right.
Per se kaita. Per se patang, kite. Next one.
Pahia.
नको ना.
Next one. Pa se
Wheel.
pahiya. Pa se pahiya, wheel. Okay. Pa se papita, papaya. Pa se patta, leaf. One more time. Pa se palang, bed. Pa se patang, kite. Pa se pahiya, wheel. Pa se papita, papaya. Pa se patta, leaf. Okay? Finish. Okay, next, today we are going to learn about fur. This page, children, the next page, fur. Fur, like fur itself, you have to write first, and extra curve you will have in this side, the opposite side. Okay, fur. Fur say fal. Fur say fal. This is fal. Fruits. Fur say fal. Fruits. Repeat after ma'am. Fur say fal. Fruits. Page number is 39 ma. Sai Charan. 39. Fur say fal. Fruits. Fur say favvare. Fountain. Fur say favvare. Fountain. Okay. And then fur say fakir. This man is called fakir. Fur say fakir. Point out the pictures and repeat after ma'am, children. And then fur say fasal, crop. Fur say fasal, crop. Fur say fasal, crop. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say fal, fruits. Fur say favvare, fountain. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say fakir. Fur say fasal, crop. Okay, one more time. Fur say fal, fruits. Only when you repeat after ma'am, you will learn, children. If you are keeping numb, then I can't do anything. Okay, have to repeat after ma'am, but don't unmute yourself. I can see everyone keeping quiet. You are not. How will you say correctly? Come on, repeat after ma'am. Fur say fal, fruits. Fur say favvare, fountain. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say fakir. Fur say fakir. Fur say fasal, crop. Fur say fasal, crop. Yes, fur say fasal, crop. And today's writing also the same we are going to do in your writing book. Take page number 64. Sorry, 65. 65. Are you all ready with your cutouts, children? Vyanjan cutouts. How many of you are ready with your cutouts? Lakshraj, Shravan. Then, who is ready with cutouts? Only Rakshraj and Shravana. Others?
Ma'am, I am also ready.
Mom, you have to cut it separate letters. Individual letters. Not like that. When I ask them a letter, they have to take it and show it to me. Like that it should be.
Ma'am,
How
like
like
this.
that also? Sai Charan. Separate letters, ma. Ka separate, ga separate. Like that it should be. Single letters. Yeah, correct, ma. Very good. Correct, Lakshya. You can see Lakshya how he has prepared. In that way you have to prepare. Arjun also correct, ma. Very good. Yeah, Dayanand good. Correct only. Maswin, you have to change. Saichar, not like that, Maswin. It's wrong. You have to cut it into
Ma'am,
single letters.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Izan, correct Izan. But it's too big, Izan. Small cutters. I have given the measurement also. 5 centimeter. If it is a square, then it's well and good. Enough. That is enough. Grithvik, is your cutout ready, Grithvik? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. Sorry,
On
ma'am.
the next class, on Tuesday, next week, Tuesday, I want all of you to be ready with your cutouts. Okay, single letters it should be. Ka separate, kha separate, ga separate, gha separate, ang separately. Separate,
Okay.
separate.
Okay, ma'am.
Single word it should be. Not in a
Okay.
line or whole, you should not write. That's wrong. When I
Okay,
ask
ma'am.
you to take the letter J, you have to take the card J and show it to me. Like that it should be. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The next Tuesday, be ready with your cards. Now take your writing book. You are going to write for today. Before that, you have to you have to match the correct word, correct picture for fur. See what are the pictures are starting with fur. Here you can see Pali, and then fur say Favvara, fountain. Fountain and that P. Pali and Favvara. You have to match it and then you have to start writing. Fur, you will write first. A curve like fur, you will write, children. Sleeping line, standing line. Fur. First, sleeping line, standing line. Fur. First, you have to write the sleeping line. Then a standing line. Then in one stretch, you have to write fur. Fur. Spell and write, children. Fur. Sleeping line, standing line, like fur, and then down. Sleeping line, standing line. Okay. Fur. Ryan, take your writing book, candy book, and write my page number 65. Fur, you're going to write.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Ryan. Fur. Fur say fasal, crop. Fur say favvara, fountain. Fur say farsa, axe.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Next page also try to write. Let others also finish. It's easy only fur. When you write fur, it will be very easy for you to write fur. But spell and write, children. Fur, fur, fur. Like that you have to spell and write. Fur say fal. Fur say fakir. Fur say favvare, fountain. Fur say farsa, axe. Fur say fasal, crop. Fur, spell and write. Sai Charan. Chidiya rhyme. Finished, no? One page. Come on, sing the Chidiya rhyme.
ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Very good. Well done. Next, Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Dayanand, sing the rhyme, ma. Chidiya rhyme.
Ma'am, also
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah, ma. Sing the Chidiya rhyme. Close your book and sing Chidiya rhyme.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I don't know Chidiya rhyme.
Why? चीन चीन चुर चुर करती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
देखो मुझे जगाती.
Okay, next class you should learn. Okay.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
who finished pa? Who finished pa?
Me, ma'am.
Let's sing the rhyme.
ची ची चू चू करती चिड़िया फुटक फुटक कर फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुटक फुटक कर गाना गाती मुझे रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Yes, very good. Well done. Next, who knows the rhyme? Shravan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Malaksh. Shravan. Very good. Well done. Zan. Clear rhyme.
I don't know, ma'am.
Why, ma'am? चीन चीन चुर चुर करती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Okay?
Yes. I learned, ma'am.
Okay. Next class you have to sing. Ritvik Chidiya rhyme.
Okay, ma'am. ची ची चुर चुर उड़ती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया उधर उधर का गाना गाते
फुदक कर
गाना गाते रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Very good. Well done. Next is Dayanand. Okay. Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. ची ची
Right.
करती चिड़िया फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया फुदक फुदक गाना गाते रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
Very good. Well done. Okay. Next is Ryan. Ryan.
ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया
Fur 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 fur.
फुर 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 करती चिड़िया
Chidiya.
फुदक फुदक करती चिड़िया
गाना गाती.
गाना गाती
रोज सवेरे
रोज सवेरे मुझे
जगाती. Okay. Good. Well done. Okay. Next Hindi word what we are going to learn is b. Okay. Take your reader, children. Page number 40. Finished for all of you? Those are finished for take your textbook. Page number 40. B. First B. B. Okay. B से बत्तख duck. B से बत्तख duck. B से बत्तख duck. Repeat after mom, children. B से बत्तख, duck. Okay. B से बकरी, goat. B से बकरी, goat. B से bus. You know what is a bus? B से बर्तन, vessels. Utensils or vessels. Okay. B से बर्तन. B से बर्तन. I want Arjun, Ryan, and then Ritvik. Unmute yourself. Ritvik, Arjun, Ryan. Unmute yourself. You are going to repeat after mom. Okay. B से बत्तख, duck.
ब से बत्तख, duck.
B से बकरी, goat.
ब से बकरी, goat.
B से बस.
ब से बस. ब से
B से
बस.
बर्तन.
ब से बर्तन.
B से बर्तन.
ब से बटन.
B से बरगद, banyan tree.
ब से
B से बरगद, banyan tree.
बगर, banyan tree.
B से बरगद, banyan tree.
ब से
बरगद. बरगद. Okay, very good. Now you mute yourself. Laksh. Ritvik, I told you to unmute yourself. Why you didn't repeat after ma'am, Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Laksh, I told you to unmute yourself and repeat after ma'am. You didn't do it. Why?
Unmute.
Yeah. Okay, Laksh, Ritvik, and Marvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. B से बत्तख, duck.
ब से बत्तख, duck.
B से बकरी, goat.
ब से बकरी, goat.
B से बस.
ब से बस.
B से बर्तन.
ब से बर्तन.
B से बरगद.
ब से बरगद.
B से बरगद.
ब से बरगद.
But when you write, first you have to put a straight line, slanting line, and the curve like B. But B will put in the end word. But for this letter, you are going to put it in the middle and the slanting line inside. Okay? Now take out your candy book and write. Take your candy book and write. Page number 67. Page number 67, write today's date. Here you have bus and button. You have to circle. Bus, button. Start writing. Write today's date without fail, children. Also write today's date in that page. Today's date is 18-2-2121. What, Ryan? Take your writing book and write. Very good, Ma Sai Charan. Take your Hindi notebook and write ka kha ga ga ang. Cha cha ja ja nya ta ta da da na and ta ta da da na. 4 lines you have to write. Write, Ma Sai Charan, if you have finished.
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Yes, Ma?
What did you tell?
Huh? If you have finished writing in your book, take your Hindi notebook and write Vyanjan till na. Ta tha da da na. Ka to na. Yeah, good. Ba, sleeping line, standing line, a curve, and a slanting line. Ba. Sleeping line, standing line, curve. Inside one slanting line. Ba. Slanting line should not be ulta, children. If it is ulta, it is wrong. This is not ba. Line should be this side only. See to that. Sleeping line, standing line. Ba say bus and ba say button. You have to circle, children. Finish. You have finished. Take your Hindi notebook, write today's date, and write.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah, take your Hindi notebook, ma, and write ka kha ga ga ang.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Take your Hindi notebook, all of you. Write today's date and write Vyanjan. These are the first 2 lines. Those who have doubt, you can look at the screen and write. If you write, it's enough, children. Next page, you take it as homework. No need to write both the pages in your notebook. Now, if you write one page, it's enough. Other page, you take it as homework. Take your Hindi notebook, write today's date, and write this. Ka kha ga ga ang. Cha cha ja ja nya.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
First 2 lines finished.
Yeah.
Next, ta tha da da na. Right. Shall I erase it, children? You know, or you want me to wait? Finished. Ka kha ga ga ang. Cha cha ja ja nya. I'm going to erase it, children. You want me to show it or shall I erase it? Shall we move on to the next set of letters? Finished? Okay. Next is ta tha da da na. Ta ta da da na. Ta tha da da na. Next is ta tha da dha na. Ta tha da da na. Ta tha da da na.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yeah, very good, Masaitan. You can leave more space and write Saichan. Why do you write it in that way? A line must contain only 5 letters. Not more than that. Not like A, B, C till Z you should not write. Kaka, gaga, ang, one line. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, one line. Next line, ta, tha, da, da, na. And the next line, ta, tha, da, da, na. Like that.
Okay,
Not in a
ma'am.
single stretch you should not write wrong. Erase it and write one more time. Or else don't erase. Below itself you write. Fresh one. Finished, Ryan? Why so cranky, Ryan? What happened?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Satvik.
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
I finished, ma'am. Thank you.
Well done, Ma. And now I want you to circle the letters which I say. Finish? Mustn't finish?
Ma'am.
Finish.
No.
Still writing, ah?
Yes.
Then when will we do the activity, Ma? Write fast. Arjun. Finish, Arjun.
No, ma'am.
Write fast, Arjun. Dayanand, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Dayanand. Nivin.
No, ma'am.
Write fast, Nivin. Kumara Gurubaran. Finish, ah? Not in that notebook. In your notebook, Hindi notebook, did you write?
I'm going to write again, right, ma'am.
Okay, man. Okay, those are finished. I want you to circle the letter ta se tatera. Ta se tatera. Which is ta se tatera? Ta se tatera. Okay, ma'am is going to circle. Tell mother ma'am is circling it correctly. Ta se tatera, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Which way?
No.
Then nodding your head. Is it right? Ta se tatera. Which ta will come?
Yes.
The wrong answer.
Second. Good man.
Good, ma'am. Okay. Next is say thermos. Say thermos. Is this the right answer?
No. No, ma'am.
No, what?
No, ma'am. No, next one, the ma'am. Next the. Ma'am. No, no. Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
సుజాత వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ సౌండ్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాడు సౌండ్
Say
మాట్లాడితే
duck.
ఏదో సుజాత ఏదో చెప్పింది
Satvik, mute yourself, ma. Say duckan. Am I right? Say duckan. Am I right?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
No, ma'am. It's
No,
the
ma'am.
ma'am.
No one is saying yes. Really, am I wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Say duckan. This is right.
No, ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am.
What to do? This one is right.
Yes. Ma'am.
No,
Yes.
Mama Seven. Say duckan.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma. Next is say nayan. Say null. Say nayan. Which na will come?
Second one, ma'am.
Is this the right answer?
No.
No, ma.
Ma'am. Next, no, ma'am.
Is this the right answer?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is say takiya. Say takiya. Which is say takiya. Check whether I'm circling the correct answer.
Before
Say takiya, correct?
No, ma'am. Before
No, ba?
Before
Which is say takiya. This one?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Say takiya. Okay, next is say tomato. Say tomato.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
First
Very good. This way only you should remember.
First
First second first second first second like that you have to remember. Simply reading as na, it will not work out. You have to you have to you have to the say Dhanush. Which is say Dhanush.
Candle.
Second or first come on circle say Dhanush.
Second, ma'am.
First
ఐవరీ
Second, ma'am.
correct?
Second.
Correct? Say Dhanush. Wrong.
Second.
This one?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Next is say Damru. Say Damru.
First the.
First or second
First, ma'am.
First very good.
First.
Very good, children. Well done. Many of you are clear with the letters. Very good, and it is very nice to see that you are learning at home. Thank you so much, children. Like this, keep learning, okay? Keep learning every day. Then only you will not forget it. Okay, children? And so thanks for your cooperation. Bye children. Shukriya.
शुक्रिया मैम बाय मैम
Shukriya.
शुक्रिया मैम बाय मैम
Shukriya Ritwik.
ఇట్లా ఒకసారి చెప్పవా
సరే మ్యామ్ బాయ్.
చెప్పు
నువ్వు